In this video, we'll show you how to complete the installation of a GARD 700 series lock without a display. Following these steps, we'll pair the keypad to the lock and create the master user ID 00 with the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Begin by pressing the green return button followed by #22. Next, enter 00 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, followed by pressing the green return button. When successful, the lock will show a green light with a high-pitched sound. If unsuccessful, the lock will show a red light with a low buzz sound. For added security, we recommend changing the master user's combination to something other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This completes the operation to complete the installation of a GARD 700 series lock without a display. For customer service, contact Dormakaba.